Good evening, everyone. Today I am here with a new topic. Today I am going to describe a love story. How can a woman become weakness for a man? We see and we listen behind every success a woman, and it is also reality. Behind many more destroy of life also women. It is also reality. So let's go through the story. You will find how a girls can destroy your life very easily. The character of story is Mahmoud. Mahmoud was a 15 years old and he was studying in class 9. And same school there was another girl. Her name was Shahina. So she also was pursuing class 9. So Mahmoud was the number 1 and topper boy of school, and he belongs from a middle class. He has a dream to become a doctor in his future life. And with this intention, with this dream, Mahmoud was going through the life and he was doing everything whatever was possible for him. From class 1 to still now, his study was very well and everybody proud on him. But something turned. And when they gave the exam of class 9, as per previous result, Mahmoud again became the topper of school and he got first position. And Shahina was not so much more good and he got the 7th number in her class. But she was very clever. And she started a plan for Mahmoud. And day by day she was coming near Mahmoud, and she finally one day Shahina proposed Mahmoud. Mahmoud could not understand her plan, and without thinking about his life, he accepted the proposal of Shahina. And they started a new life. And Shahina also not destroy Mahmoud, but I don't know there is what was the purpose or intention. Day and night Mahmoud always was thinking about Shahina and he was not doing anything about his study. Totally he left his study. His teacher also noticed these new things and they also tried to understand Mahmoud and they also realized Mahmoud about his dream and goal. Anything did not work for Mahmoud. As per his intention he was doing and he was through his love life. And they gave the class test before final exam. In this exam, Mahmoud got a very poor number. You can say from 0 to 0. And Shahina also got a good mark and she became the class topper of this school. But still now Mahmoud did not realize about his life and he was doing these things again and again. They also gave the examination of final and Shahina got the first position in entire school and Mahmoud just got the pass mark, means 42%. It was so bad. Nobody accepted these things from Mahmoud. But Shahina got admission in a very good school and she started study in science stream. But Mahmoud, due to his poor number, he could not take admission in a science background, but he took in a government high secondary school and he started study as a arts stream. In these 2 years, their relationship was not good, so rarely they meet each other. Shahina almost forget Mahmoud and he was just thinking about her new life. She totally forget about Mahmoud. But Mahmoud could not forget her. And Mahmoud was just thinking day to night about her. In this how they completed their higher secondary, Mahmoud got failed in class 12 exam and Shahina also became the class topper and she gave the NET exam and she got chance in final first attempt and she took admission Guwahati Medical College. And Mahmoud totally he lost his mental power and he also lost his physical strength. Now he looks like a crazy man. In young old, he totally looks like an old man. One day, Mahmoud was walking in high road. Which time a truck came behind him and hit him, he did not realize. And it was the last day of Mahmoud. And finally he died. We got a memory about Mahmoud. So there we see how a girl can destroy a boy. So if you have that type of love life, think on things first about your life. Because if you not have a good lifestyle, nobody will like you. Whom do you like very crazy way? Maybe one day she will reject you due to not your good life or good lifestyle. So if you want to maintain everything, first work for your dream, work for your goal. When you will do it, so one day you will achieve everything. Everything will come near you and you will be the real happier of life. Otherwise, in study life, if you enjoy with your love life, so listen and write 100 times. You will just destroy your life and you will be a very simple man. If you have some dream, work for your dream. Complete your dream and fulfill your goal. Nobody will not help you to improve your goal or improve your life. So my dear friend, just think about your dream. If you want to love your dream. If you want to enjoy your dream. It is the real happiness. A temporary love life, just it will destroy your life. Temporary love life, just it will kill you. Every day we see one girls came and stay few months or few years, after that they become young. And she also, when she got a better option than you, so suddenly she kicked you and she give a very bad sad moment. So don't become a bell of temple. Can anybody come and they can hit the bell. Become strong, become a real man, become a hero of your life. It will give you real happiness. It will give you a real happy of life. So thank you for today. Tomorrow we will meet with you a new story. Thank you for watching my video. Jai Hind. Comment, share and subscribe.